Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Mahima Kataria, who is currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science from College of Technology and Engineering from Udaipur. In this video, I am going to share all the information about college fees, mess fees, hostel fees, and all our fees that you require to pay. Before starting that, if you haven't seen my last video where I shared reviews about college, branch, faculty and placements of College of Technology and Udaipur, then please do watch out that video. I have put the link in the description box. Go check it out. Starting off with the college fees. In the first semester, you have to pay around 45,000 to 46,000, which includes college development fees, college fees and some caution money. In other semesters, you have to pay around 35,000 to 36,000. So we have total 8 semester and every semester costs 35 to 36,000. Next, let's come to book bank fees. They charge rupees 5,000 as a security deposit plus rupees 350 every semester whenever you issue any book. But I would suggest not to pay any fees to the book bank. You can issue books with your library card. Now let's come to exam fees. You have to pay rupees 1300 for the exam fees plus rupees 900 for any backlog or revaluation form. Now at last let's talk about the hostel fees, which is the most asked question to me in my comment sections. So let's start with the hostel fees of girls. For the first year you have to pay around rupees 32,000, which includes hostel fees of 1 year plus security money of hostel and mess. Mess fees is rupees 87 per day, which will cost around rupees 2600 to 2700 per month. Let me share an important information about the mess fees. They will cut only 7 days of leave mess charge. Even if you take 1 month leave, 2 month leave, you have to pay the fees. They will cut only 7 days charge of mess. And for the hostel leave, you have to get signed an application from the hostel warden and send them a message from your parents that you are getting a leave or you are coming to home. After that, let's talk about the hostel timings. So hostel timing changes. It will be around like 6 to 7 p.m. After that, hostel gate will be closed and you will not be allowed to go out. Now talking about the mess food, you will get breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner and special food on Saturday night and Sunday lunch. But do not expect too much in taste from the hostel food. There are two wings in the girls hostel, wing A and wing B. Wing A includes first year, second year and third year students. Wing B includes fourth year, MTech and PhD students, including the mess. Now let's talk about the Wi-Fi in girls hostel. They do have Wi-Fi but that do not work. Wi-Fi of wing B works but only a single Wi-Fi of wing A on the ground floor works and other Wi-Fi do not work at all. Also, there is geyser in the girls hostel and if you want cooler in your room, you have to pay rupees 700 to the hostel warden as an electricity bill for that cooler. Now let's talk about the boys hostel. They also have to pay rupees 32,000 in their first year as a hostel fees plus security money of hostel and mess fees. Their mess fees is rupees 2580, which is less than the girls hostel fees. They will also get 7 days of leave from the mess charge even if they take leave of a month, 2 months, but only 7 days charge of mess will be cut. In the mess food, boys get breakfast, lunch, dinner and sometimes tea in their snack. Talking about the special, they get special food on Sunday lunch only and Sunday's dinner will be off from their mess diet. First year hostel of boys will get closed at 7 p.m. and there is no rule and restrictions in second, third or fourth year for boys. There is no geyser in the boys hostel and if they want cooler in their room, they will have to pay rupees 700 as an electricity bill to the hostel warden. So this is the end of the video. I would say do not expect more from the hostel food and hostel itself. Thank you for watching the video till last. If you have any further questions, please do comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.